Factor out the GCF. 12a to the fourth plus a cubed minus 20a squared. Again, I'm going to rewrite the problem so that I have a little bit more room to deal with it. And then we're going to look for the greatest common factor. Let's start with the coefficients. The coefficients here are 12, 8, and negative 20. And if we look to see what goes into 12, 8, and 20, all of those are divisible by 4. So we're going to have 4 as part of the greatest common factor. Now after that, we look at the a's. We've got an a to the fourth, an a to the third, and an a to the second. Now all of those contain a's, but the biggest amount of a's that's contained in all three of those is an a squared. All of those are divisible by a squared, so a squared will be part of the greatest common factor. And so we've got 4a squared, and that is the greatest common factor because there's nothing larger that all three of those terms are divisible by. Now that we've pulled out the greatest common factor, we have to look at the leftovers. Let's start with the first term. If we have 12a to the fourth and we pull out a 4a squared, that's going to leave us with 3a squared. Then we can look at the 8a cubed. 8a cubed, if we pull out 4a squared, or if we divide by 4a squared, it's going to give us 2a. And then we have minus, because the third term is negative, 20a squared divided by 4a squared is going to end up giving us 5. So our leftovers are going to be 3a squared plus 2a minus 5. And then our final answer is 4a squared times the quantity, 3a squared plus 2a minus 5.